an ounce. So what does this mean for Dubai, the so-called city of gold? Have jewellery buyers taken fright and fled the souks? No, as Clifford Kirk found out.
There's been a gold market in Dubai since the 40s. It's a popular tourist attraction with the lure of tax-free prices. But with gold hitting $1,000 an ounce, could there be a danger that tourists and commodity traders alike might lose interest in the shiny metal?
Looking here in the gold souk, it's hard to believe that there's an increase in price for gold. Certainly the gold souk itself is incredibly busy still. Lots of tourists coming here, obviously, because of the cheaper prices.
Perhaps a good indication of the health of the retail gold market is how busy the wholesalers are.
The business momentum is more or less like it used to be on the past year. So as a result, we could be having a 20-30% reduce on the quantity, but when you put the equivalent in price, our sales are probably 20-25% more than last year. I think there is going to be a correction from 675 in 6 months to 1,034. I think it's a very sharp increase, and I think there will be some profit taking from some of the holder of the paper gold, and eventually we are not going to see continuous for lifetime weak dollar. So I think dollar at one point of a time is going to reverse back, and that will make a big difference in the gold prices.
Last year, Dubai imported more than 550 tons of gold into the country, mostly from Switzerland.
It's hard to believe, but every day there's almost 10 tons of gold here in the gold souk alone. It's a bit like Mr. T's wardrobe.
By far the largest sales of gold are to the Indian subcontinent, where the giving of gold is part of traditional ceremonies. JRG are an Indian brokerage firm dealing through the Dubai Gold and Commodities Exchange.
Indians are still following their traditional that marriage system by using the gold as a gift. NRIs and jewelleries, they are considering this Dubai market as their local as well as trustworthy market. Because here Dubai Gold and Commodity Exchange and the Dubai government is ensuring the quality and quantity of that gold.
The Dubai Gold and Commodities Exchange opened just 3 years ago and is providing valuable investment resources to the market.
In times of high prices or price volatility, where prices are moving around considerably, it allows all comers, whether they be investors or whether they be people who have exposure to the gold market, to take some form of insurance or some form of price cover. And so what's encouraging for us is to see that our volumes are rising at these times of very high prices. Now normally you'd expect high prices, lower volumes, but that just shows the value of an exchange, that people can actually hedge themselves and protect themselves against rising or indeed falling prices.
At $1,000 an ounce, the value of gold in the world is around $4 trillion, which sounds a lot, but is only around half of the value of the cash currently in circulation in the US alone. But gold is still attractive for governments, investors and tourists alike.
Clifford Kirk reporting there. Well, we're going to take a short break now, and when we come back, why the Gulf is looking to India for art.